Man, these are really good. Let's check them out. Hope you're uncomfortable now, because that's how I feel like nonstop. Welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on social, Twitter. Follow me on Twitter, because I don't like Instagram. And I have this channel which you can subscribe to. That's pretty much your only options at this point. Hello, pals. I'm glad you guys watch, because this is I don't know what's going on here. Hey, we're taking a closer look at a pair of shoes today, because that's been happening a lot lately because Nike SB hates my wallet. We're looking at these. This is a Dunk Low Pro collaboration with Japanese skate shop Instant. These don't really have a name. Someone called them Dog. Like it's gonna be it's gonna have some kind of like camouflage tank top and a mullet or something. It's a Dog the Bounty Hunter joke if you couldn't catch it. But these are very cool. This is a collaboration with a Japanese skate shop based in, they have 5 locations now, but it's to celebrate the 25th anniversary of their first shop in Shibuya. It's just really cool. The main inspiration for this shoe comes from the buses that transports skaters to different spots around the city of Shibuya. Most notably, the Shibuya Metro Station, which is home to the very famous Hachiko statue, which is paid homage to with the little patch on the heel. Hachiko was it's a very famous dog that would wait for its owner at the Shibuya Metro Station every day, even after the dude passed away, which is super cute and super sad. Most notably, there's a really bad movie starring Richard Gere called Hachi, based on this story, but there's a really good Futurama episode. God, I forget the name of the episode, but Fry's dog, Fry, the main character in Futurama, his dog is named Seymour, and the story is literally taken from the story of Hachiko. But I mean, I can talk about this shoe a little bit. There's a lot of stuff going on here. 3M vamp, a little mini swoosh on the toe box, this really nice low pile suede on the mud guard, different varying blues, the patch. I mean, this is just such a cool looking shoe. So let's take a closer look at the details on the Instant Skateboard's Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. Yeah, the details on this shoe are really cool. I will be the first to acknowledge the fact that when I first saw pictures of these, I liked the colorway. So I was like, these are cool. And then I found out that the vamp was 3M. I said, okay, never mind. I don't like those anymore. Not taking into the account that I really like the color combination of this really light gray and this blue. It reminds me kind of the Beavis SB Mid kind of colorway because it has those kind of two-tone things. But there's so many little details. The dog statue on the heel, even the yellow stitching on the black swoosh is just a nice little detail. The canvas on the tongue is just a different kind of canvas that you can also find on the ankle. Even the branding on the laces. I mean, Nike SB has done a lot of collaborations with skate shops this year, but this is the most. This collaboration, I think, tips its cap to the skate shop that they're working with the most. I mean, I wouldn't know unless I read articles about it, but this embodies Instant Skateshop. So, I mean, I think it's a very cool collaboration. It's a Dunk Low SB, so you're gonna have to go up a half size because of the fat tongue and the Zoom Air insole. It does take up a little bit more room than usual. I think this shoe is absolutely cool. I will be undsing them, as you could probably tell in the closer look videos, because I took some on-foot shots, which hardly ever happens, but resale prices on these dropped, yeah, not drastically, but they were hovering around $750. They're down to about $500 right now. I got mine for about $550, which is an okay price, which I'm okay with. There's that! The Nike SB collaboration with Instant Skateboards. I am a huge fan of this Dunk Low. This is a really cool shoe. Let me know what you guys think. Did you get a pair? Are you thinking about getting a pair? Did I somehow talk you into getting a pair because you love dogs? Buddy. Don't tell Pancake, please. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Till next time, remember to keep it fun because sneakers are supposed to be fun. Bye!